Hello and welcome. In this video, I will be talking about OpenMRS Talk. I will be covering up three topics in here. First, how can you get involved in Talk? Second, how can you ask a question here on Talk? And lastly, some of the top features of OpenMRS Talk. Before getting into this video, make sure you have an OpenMRS ID ready. To create one, go to id.openmrs.org. If you already have one, sign in with your credentials. And now you are ready to get into this video. On your first login, you will be greeted by DiscoBot. DiscoBot is a custom OpenMRS bot whose job is to teach you more about OpenMRS Talk. Make sure to follow his instruction and complete his advanced user tutorial. You will get a digital certificate at the end for the same. To see your profile on top, click here on your profile picture, then your username and then summary. Then you should land up on your profile page. Here you can see some of your statistics about your interaction with OpenMRS Talk. You can see your activity, some notification, message someone, see your batches about which we will talk later, and also set your preferences. Now let's see how can you interact with a particular post here on top. If you find any particular post helpful, make sure to like it. You can share it on Facebook, Twitter, or email it to someone. If you find any post inappropriate, make sure to flag it. If you think that post may be helpful to you in future, make sure to bookmark it. To add more to the post, simply click the reply button. You can format your reply using Markdown, BB code, or even HTML. Now let's see how can you ask a question here on top. To do so, simply click this blue button which reads new topic, then give a title to your question. You can categorize this into one of the below available category and give it an optional tag. Then finally you need to give some description to it. You can format your description using Markdown, HTML or even BB code. Notice how Talk shows you the preview of some other similar questions. Make sure your question isn't duplicate. From here, you can refresh your browser to save this question as draft. Notice how this blue button now reads Open Draft. You can cancel this question using the cancel button or create the topic by clicking this blue button. Now, let's see some of the top features of OpenMRS Talk. The first feature about which I would like to talk is categorizing the topics based on your interest. Let's say I am interested around the field of development. From here, I can further classify it into one of the below available field. Let's say quality assurance. Then I can even apply one of the below available tag to it. Let's say I want to apply the tag of bugs. In this way, you can search for very specific topics based on your interest and expertise. The next feature about which I would like to talk is badges. Badges are a fun and interactive way to reward user based on his activity with OpenMRS Talk. To learn more about badges, go to talk.openmrs.org/badges. Lastly, I would like to talk about these menu options available here. Clicking on the latest menu shows some of the recently posted topics. The new menu shows some of the newly posted topics which might have been missed by you. The top menu shows some of the most engaging topics throughout the year, quarter, month, week, or even the day. The categories menu lists all the available categories open for discussion. The IRC, Telegram, and Slack menus open OpenMRS channel for their respective platforms. With this, I would like to end this video. Before getting started with talk, have a look at this article at talk.openmrs.org/FAQ. Thank you for watching this video. See you on talk soon.